Come on in.
Did you hear?
This is big. I have so much to do. Liz, I need the Alumni Family.
I've got you covered. Alumni Family, assemble! Assemble!
Hey Jimmy, so glad to see you. Thanks for making time for me today.
It's my pleasure. I understand that convocation is in person this year, and I'm here to help you successfully prepare.
That's great. What's the plan?
I reviewed the objectives, assessed the variables, the risks, the obstacles, and the opportunities, and I've come up with a simple plan to ensure that you are ready and 2022 is going to be the best convocation ever.
Jimmy, what is this?
Oh, my apologies, Glenn. This is for another client. Here is your plan.
This is awesome, Jimmy.
To start, we need to train your body.
Hey Dylan, good to see you. Convocation's in person this year, and I need your help to prepare.
It's great to see you, Glenn. I loved my time at SLC. I made amazing friends and built an incredible professional network through currentslc.com.
Currentslc.com is a great way to stay connected, to access supports to build your career.
Let's get started. Great job, Glenn. I know you're going to do great.
Next, we train your voice.
Nice job. Hey Allison, so nice to see you again. Thanks so much for helping me out today.
No problem, Glenn. Helping is what SLC alumni do. We are over 100,000 strong from 75 different countries.
I know, it's amazing. No matter where you are in this world, you're bound to run into an SLC alumni.
That's one of the things I appreciate most about being SLC alumni. There's always somebody to connect with or to get support from no matter where you go. Let's get started. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. The tip of the tongue, the teeth, the lips.
The tip of the tongue, the teeth, the lips.
How now, brown cow.
How now, brown cow.
The final step, and the most important, you need to look good.
Glenn, I'm so happy I can help you out today. I take pride in being an SLC alumni. I like to try to support and help whenever, however I can. When I was a student, I remember how impactful it was when an alumni would come to the class as a guest speaker.
So true.
And now it's my turn to give back as a mentor, as a volunteer, and as your personal stylist.
Getting there.
This is what it means to be a SLC alumni.
Very nice. Well said, Amanda. You know, your relationship with SLC doesn't need to end when you graduate. It's actually the start of something big. Jimmy, can't thank you enough for all your guidance and support. Now, time to get to the ceremony. You a grad? Cool.